If you're uncomfortable right now, that's not a bad sign. It's not a warning to retreat. It's the opposite. It's an invitation. That feeling of being out of your depth, the internal resistance telling you to turn back to what's safe and known. That's the starting line, not the finish. It's a signal that you're growing. Real growth isn't a gentle, seamless process. It's a stretch. It takes you out of what's easy and familiar and places you firmly on the edge of your current capabilities. Think about it. When you push for one more rep in the gym, your muscles burn because they are breaking down to rebuild stronger. When you're learning a new skill, your brain aches with the effort of forging new neural pathways. When you have that difficult conversation, your heart pounds because you're expanding your capacity for vulnerability and courage. That's why it hurts. Because you're actively shedding old habits, old limits, old fears. Discomfort means transformation is happening beneath the surface. So how do you navigate it? You don't have to conquer the entire mountain in one day. Just take the next step. Focus on small, daily reps of courage. Make the call. Write the first paragraph. Do the first set. Each small act of leaning into the discomfort builds momentum. It rewires your brain to see fear not as a stop sign, but as a compass pointing you toward your next evolution. Track your progress. Look back at where you were a month ago, a year ago. Acknowledge the territory you've already covered. That proof of past growth is the fuel for your future journey. So don't run from the pain of growth. Don't mistake the stretching for breaking. Embrace it. Welcome it. Know that this feeling, this very discomfort, is the chisel in your own hand. It's shaping the stronger, more resilient, more capable version of you that is waiting to emerge. You are in the process of becoming. Trust it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.